The building changed completely. We maintain the general structure of the building with 3 cloisters in a line, in a straight line, but the dedication of these spaces is completely different. From the central cloister, we have the Aula Magna, is the old church of the building. Today is the place for celebrations. It was designed for preaching, so it has a perfect acoustic. We have the room of the chapter. This is the place where the Dominicans used to meet in order to pray, but also to take decisions for daily life. This room was built within the time of Isabella and Ferdinand, the Catholic kings, at the end of the 15th century. The refectory today is a conference hall, but still today we can see the place for the lecture. One of the Dominicans, during lunchtime, used to preach and to pray in loud voice, and still today we can see the staircase and the place for the books of praying and preaching.